Hi guys, Jerry Monty here from the Forex and Binary YouTube channel. Just wanted to talk to you about um, the idiot guide to binary trading. Um, the biggest problem these days with binary trading is the risk reward. You know, it, not a lot of people realise this, but it does. I mean, it sounds easy. It sounds like it's an easy job to just to pick which way the market's going and bet on that. Um, or um, predict that. But at the end of the day, um, it can be tough to probably make money. Um, Most of the time, with the brokers, they're paying probably 70%, 80% returns. Um, you know, you got to remember that 70% returns, you probably have to be winning at least 6 out of 10 times just to make a little bit of profit. And then maybe 7 out of 10 times to make it okay profit, maybe 8 out of 10 times um, to make decent profit. So it's between 7 to 10, 10 out of 10, maybe 7 out of 10 is probably okay. Um, but you just got to be mindful of that. That the payouts that you get from brokers can determine how much profit you get. And if your strike rate's only well, if it's 7 out of 10, not it's a pretty good strike rate. But if your payout from brokers is 70%, it's going to be limited. So you're probably best off going for something that's maybe 75, 80% payouts. And there is brokers out there that pay out 100%. Not very often, but there is some out there. So just be mindful of that. That also it's a lot of it's psychology as well. You know, Try to follow people that are you know if you're not too confident with trading yourself, then maybe follow people that are going to show you how to trade and how to put on a trade and when to put on a trade and that sort of thing, until you get confident enough to do it yourself. Um, so that'll help you sort of make money at the same time as learning. So there is free groups that do that, and there's paid ones as well. So I'm actually following a couple at the moment which are free and making some pretty good money on the demo account on that. So just be mindful of that. And the psychology of it, you just got to be, when you start to trade with your own real money, it does get a bit scary, or there is some fear that comes up, there's some greed that comes up. So you might start, you might take a loss, and then the mindset is, oh, I've got to get that money back. Um, well, it's not about getting the money back. It's about just going to the next trade, following the signal or following your method and just doing it over again. Eventually, if you've got a good system method over 10 trades, you'll make decent money if you've got a good method. You've got 8 out of 10 trades or 7 out of 10. But if you go with the idea of, oh, I've got to get that money back, so I'm going to double up on this next trade, double up my investment. That's not the psychology you need to use. You only sort of increase your in, your trade when your account size increases. So you might be trading 5% of your bank. So if you've got $100, it's only $5, for example. If it's a $200 account, it's $10. So if it jumps up to $2,000, then you're looking at $50 for for 5%. So as your account increases, so does your trade sizes. So just be mindful of that. So hope that little idiot guide video helps you. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos and some results on how I'm trading on my demos, and then going live soon. So I'll post those results, and hope you can come along on the journey with me. Thank you for watching the Forex and Binary Virgin YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe below, and subscribe to my newsletter, Forex and Binary Virgin newsletter. Thank you.